Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable audio description on your Xiaomi A2 Pro TV. First, press the gear button on your remote or the settings button located at the bottom left of the D-pad. Press this button once, then press OK, which will redirect you to the All Settings menu. Scroll down 7 times until you reach Accessibility. And press OK and scroll down 8 more times. Press the middle D-pad key to enable audio description. Now press the home button at the bottom right of the D-pad, and audio description will be active in supported TV programs, shows, and movies. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this helps, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.